Hi everyone, today I brought this under desk organizer. It's two tiers, so it can fit a lot of stuff, especially if your kid has a lot of items that needs to be organized. This will be put under his desk from here using the tools that came with it. So let's open it. It comes with two brackets like this and screws and screwdriver. So first we need to install these this way, like that. One on the left side, then screw it in. Then we're gonna grab this other bracket and we're gonna align it here and place it here. As you see, this is to the back, okay? Then we're gonna grab this and place it under the desk. Look how cool this is. Then we're gonna just twist these until they are completely secured in. We can place various stuff like the remote control, pens and pencils, sharpener, scissors, and then in this lower one, it's not divided as the first one. We can place calculator. We can also put the headset. Really fits a lot of stuff. It's very convenient. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.